Where am I? I don't know. I open my eyes. I see a room. The room is big. The room is beautiful. It is an old room. The walls are white. The ceiling is high. I see a bed. The bed is soft. The bed has a blanket. The blanket is blue. I see a chair. The chair is big. The chair is red. It looks nice. I see a table. The table is brown. The table is shiny. I like the room. It is quiet. I stand up. I walk to the window. I look outside. I see a field. The field is big. The field is green. The grass is tall. The sun is bright. The sun shines on the field. It is warm. I like the field. It is pretty. I hear music. The music is soft. The music is slow. It is Mozart. I know Mozart. I hear it. I feel calm. But why am I here? I don't know. My head hurts. My head hurts a lot. I touch my head. It feels bad. I look at my clothes. I wear gray trousers. The trousers are soft. I wear a gray shirt. The shirt is big. I don't have shoes. My feet are cold. I walk to the door. I try the door. The door is locked. I pull it. I push it. It does not open. I go to the window. I try the window. The window is locked. I push it. It does not move. I am scared. I don't know this place. I feel hungry. My stomach is empty. I feel thirsty. My mouth is dry. I look around. There is no food. There is no water. I see the table again. On the table, I see a pen. The pen is black. I see paper. The paper is white. The paper is empty. I take the pen. I hold it. I think. Who am I? I don't know. I can't remember my name. I can't remember my home. I can't remember anything. My head hurts more. I feel tired. I go to the bed. I sit down. I lie down. I close my eyes. I sleep. It is morning. I wake up. I am on the bed. The sun is bright. I see the field again. I wear the gray clothes. I feel very hungry. My stomach makes a noise. I feel very thirsty. My throat is dry. I hear music. It is Mozart again. The music is soft. It is nice. My head feels better. It does not hurt now. But I don't remember. I don't know my name. I don't know who I am. I hear a sound. It is loud. It is footsteps. Someone is here. I look at the door. The door opens. A man comes in. He is tall. He is big. He wears black clothes. He wears black trousers. He wears a black shirt. His shoes are black. I look at his face. His eyes are cold. I don't know him. I am scared. "Hello," he says. His voice is low. "How is your head?" "My head?" I say. "It is okay now." "Good," he says. He smiles. "Where are you?" "I don't know," I say. "Where am I?" "You don't know?" he says. "Are you thirsty?" "Yes," I say. "I am thirsty. I am hungry." He has a glass. The glass has water. He gives me the glass. "Drink this," he says. I take the glass. I look at the water. It is clear. I drink it. The water is cold. It feels good. But then I feel tired. My eyes are heavy. My head spins. I sit on the bed. I close my eyes. I sleep again. I wake up. The room is dark. The sun is gone. I don't hear music. My head hurts again. I stand up. I walk to the light. I turn on the light. The room is bright now. I see the table. I see the glass. The glass is empty. I am thirsty again. I want water. I look around. There is no water. I feel tired. I go to the bed. I sleep. "Wake up," the man says. I open my eyes. He is here. He stands near the bed. He looks at me. "I have questions," he says. "Who are you?" I ask. My voice is small. I don't know, he says. He laughs. Who are you? I don't know, I say. What's your name? He asks. I don't know, I say. I can't remember. Where are you from? He asks. I don't know, I say. Drink this, he says. He has a glass again. The glass has water. No, I say. I shake my head. Yes, he says. He takes a gun. The gun is black. He shows me the gun. I am scared. I take the glass. I drink the water. It tastes bad. My head spins. The room is dark. I sleep. I wake up. The sun is bright. I see the field. It is green. I see the table. There is food. I see bread. I see cheese. I see water. I am happy. I stand up. I go to the table. I take the bread. I eat it. The bread is good. I take the cheese. I eat it. The cheese is soft. I take the water. I drink it. The water is cold. I feel strong. My head is okay now. I sit on the chair. I eat more. I hear footsteps. The man comes back. He wears black clothes. He looks at me. Do you want to talk? He asks. Talk about what? I say. Who are you? He asks. Who are you? I say. I ask the questions. He says. Why are you here? I don't know, I say. He hits me. He hits my face. It hurts. My cheek is red. Who are you? He asks again. I don't know, I say. Don't hit me. He hits me again. My face hurts more. He looks angry. He goes out. He closes the door. I touch my head. I feel a bump. The bump is big. It does not hurt now. But I remember something. I am in a field. The field is green. The grass is wet. I am under a tree. The tree is tall. The tree has many leaves. The leaves are green. I have binoculars. The binoculars are cold. I hold them. I look at a house. The house is big. The house is old. The house is beautiful. It is this house. I watch it. The sun is low. The sky is orange. I see birds. The birds fly. I hear them. I feel calm. Then I hear a noise. It is loud. I turn my head. A man is there. He is big. He has a dog. The dog is black. The dog is big. The man has a gun. The gun is in his hand. He looks at me. He is angry. He hits me. He hits my head with the gun. It hurts. My head hurts a lot. Everything is dark. I open my eyes. I am in the room. The bump is from that day. I touch it. I think. Why am I in the field? Who am I? Am I a policeman? Do I help people? Am I a bad man? Do I take things? I don't know. The man in black, who is he? Is he a bad man? I don't know. But I remember a little now. I feel happy. I know something. It is the next day. The sun is bright. I eat more bread. I drink more water. The man comes back. How are you? He asks. I am okay, I say. Do you remember? He asks. Yes, I say. A little. Who do you work for? He asks. I don't know, I say. Why do you watch us? He asks. I don't know, I say. Who are you? He asks. Tell me who you are, I say. Then I can remember. No, he says. He looks angry. He goes out. He closes the door. I sit on the bed. I think. I remember more. I am in the field. It is evening. The sky is dark. I wear a blue coat. The coat is warm. I see the house. I see lights. The lights are yellow. A car comes. The car is white. It is a big car. Two people get out. They wear black clothes. They have a box. The box is small. I watch them. I use the binoculars. I see them. They go in the house. I wait. I listen. I hear the wind. The wind is cold. Then I hear the noise. The man with the dog is there. He hits me. My head hurts. Everything is dark. I hear voices. They are outside the room. He will talk, one voice says. Maybe, another voice says. His head is bad. The drinks don't help, the first voice says. 2 days, the second voice says. We have 2 days. What does he know? The first voice says. That is big. I hear a key. They lock the door. They walk away. I look at the door. The key is in the door. It is on the other side, I think. 2 days. I don't want to wait. I take the paper. The paper is white. I put the paper under the door. I take the pen. I push the key with the pen. The key falls. I hear it. I pull the paper. I pull it slow. The paper comes. The key is on the paper. I am happy. I take the key. I hold it. It is small. I go to the door. I put the key in the lock. I turn it. The door opens. I look outside. It is quiet. I walk out. I see a hall. The hall is long. The hall is white. The house is big. I hear Mozart again. The music is soft. I see doors. Many doors. I walk slow. I am scared. I open one door. It is a bedroom. The bedroom is small. I close the door. I open another door. It is a bedroom. The bedroom has a blue bed. I close the door. I open more doors. I see more bedrooms. Then I open a big door. I see a room. The room is full. I see paintings. Many paintings. The paintings are on the floor. The paintings are on the walls. They are beautiful. I look at them. I know one painting. It is famous. It is from a gallery. I see it on TV. These people are thieves. They take paintings. They are bad people. I close the door, I think. Who am I? Am I a policeman? Do I stop thieves? Am I a thief? Do I take things? I don't know. I need to go. I need help. I walk in the hall. I see a bedroom. The bedroom has a phone. The phone is black. I run to it. I take the phone. I call the police. I press the numbers. 999. Police, a voice says. Help me, I say. I am in a house. The address is Bratt Street, 35972. They have paintings, stolen paintings. Come fast. What is your name? The voice asks. I don't know, I say. Come fast. I hear people. They are in the hall. I put the phone down. I hide. I go under the bed. I hear them. He is not here, one says. The door is locked, another says. Find him, the first says. Take the gun. Okay, the second says. I wait. I am scared. I hear cars. The cars are loud. I look at the window. I see lights. The lights are blue. It is the police. The police are here. I am happy. I hear voices. Good evening, a policeman says. We look for paintings. No paintings here, a bad man says. We will look, the policeman says. I wait. I hear footsteps. The police come up. They open doors. They find the paintings. They catch the bad people. A policeman talks to me. He is tall. He wears a blue coat. Eddie, he says. You are Eddie Hampton. Eddie, I say. Is that my name? Yes, he says. Do you remember? No, I say. I don't remember. You are a thief, he says. A small thief. You take small things. TVs, radios, small money. Not paintings. These people are big thieves. They take paintings. Oh, I say. I help you? Yes, he says. Thank you, Eddie. You are free now. I am Eddie. I don't remember much. My head still has the bump, but I am free. The police take me outside. I see the field. The sun is bright. I feel good. I don't know my home. I don't know my friends, but I am okay. I will learn. I will remember one day.